Father, I made a terrible sin.
What's that, son?
I killed a priest.
I was looking at the TV news. People everywhere blowing.
Some fucking baby crying. Get a deal with it. What's wrong? Are you fucking with me?
$12.
Right.
Go, go, go!
Fuck the cops.
He went to the forest. Copy that.
Oh fuck.
He's down. I judge you, Joe Rain, to 10 years at the Stonegate prison.
10 fucking years. Why not just send me to hell?
You are my bitch now.
Yeah, and why don't you shut the fuck up? At Stonegate prison, nobody lives.